Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's a beautiful sunny day today, and today we're gonna hang out with Nick, Robert. As you can see, we got Robert pulled up to San Jose. We got my car looking all clapped. Then we got Nick's Lamborghini with the psychedelic, so it looks freaking wet. Got the boys right here. We're trying to figure out what to do. We might do some ride-alongs today, so stay tuned for that. We'll figure out a plan. Alright boys, we're gonna go to Santana Row because Nick wants to go so bad.
Let's be out. Let's out. Let's go.
Let's go. So we're in Santana Row. Nick's braking next. Got Robert behind me. Let these people pass by. Alright, update vlog. We made it to Santana Row. Got my car right here. Got Nick's car over there, always center of attention. We got Robert's car right here. Honestly, who gives a damn about the Lambo? It's all about the STs. But yeah, I don't know what we're doing here. Just gonna go with the flow. And if I do see some nice cars, I'll just record it. But I think we're still gonna do some ride-alongs, so stay tuned for that. And just stay tuned for anything. So I'll just keep updating you guys. We somehow made it to Chick-fil-A.
What drink do you want?
Let's do root beer.
Root beer? What's going on, guys? Nick's bankrupt here. We got the boy Richard over there.
Rich? You call him Richard?
Robert.
That's mad. He called you Richard, bro.
Oh, I'm sorry, dude.
I heard it loud and clear.
I'm
He called you Richard, bro.
It's all good.
Dude, tell him what happened to the car, bro.
I can't after that one, bro. I can't.
Tell him.
Who needs a wing to eat on when you got Lambo?
The glass engine bay?
Right? Just eat on the Lambo?
Because it's usually plastic glue.
That's this guy.
This alone is
a
a content. Like this alone is a title right here.
How to eat Chick-fil-A
On a Lambo.
and
Yeah.
a Lamborghini.
That's a video, Nick.
Crazy.
Yeah, dude.
Video.
Going to every drive-thru with the Lambo.
Alright, so Robert went with Nick to get a ride-along on the Lambo. So I'm gonna give Chris a ride-along in the ST since he's always riding in Robert's, just so he can feel stock turbo E30.
Oh wait, I took his piece.
Oh yeah. Hey, let's take his car for a ride. Alright, so we're just gonna do like a little drive around the block and just see what his reaction is. He's probably gonna say it's slow.
Nah, to be honest, I forgot how a stock ST felt.
I mean, stock.
Well, not fully stock. I'm sorry.
Stock turbo.
Yeah.
Stock turbo, it punches, but like that top end power is not there compared to big turbo. So we'll just see how it goes. All right.
Yeah,
The Brembos though.
Oh, I was like, damn, these two brakes, because Roberts takes a minute to brake.
He needs Brembos.
The stock turbo does have that
punch.
that low end torque punch, so you know it's that power's still there and it still hits right away. But you know the top end.
The top end, you feel that too.
When you ride in Roberts, when he gives you a ride in Roberts, you'll feel it. Like you feel that beginning,
it just keeps pulling,
but then it pulls even harder after like 3,000-4,000 RPMs.
Yeah.
And
that's what
I think that's what you need though. You need that ride so it can motivate you to, because you said you want to go big turbo, right?
Bro.
So once you go big turbo, or once you get that feeling of a big turbo, that feeling's gonna stay with you and you're gonna want to get it for yourself. Watch.
All right.
How was the ride? It was insane. Like I was telling him in the car, like I need a Lambo now. I absolutely need a Lambo now. It's a raw feeling car. Like you feel everything that happens. Like the downshifts, you hear like the engine since it's literally right behind you, bro.
It's instant power.
Yeah, it's insane. And he told me the whole time that he didn't go over 50% throttle.
He's capped.
I'm like, capping, dude. Capping.
You went over 50%.
No, 60% at most. I told you that. 55%.
Yeah, I was like,
You guys think he's lying in the comments below or what?
What do you mean lying about what? There's nothing to lie about.
Alright guys, I don't believe that. Alright, so I'm gonna get a ride in Robert's big turbo ST. So if I ever go big turbo, you gotta blame this guy right here, cause I might just get convinced right now. So let's see the reaction. I'll tell you guys how it feels, see if we can record it. We'll see what happens. Let's do it. All right, boys, let's see. Oh, damn.
So I turn right there?
No, keep going straight. Okay, so when he punched it, it took a little bit of kick in, but once he hit like probably like 45, it just like pulled again, like the power band just went up again. That's what I noticed.
It's that .86 AR.
Yeah, and we're just on the streets. We're not gonna go crazy, but that's a big difference.
Turn right here, right?
Yeah, turn right. Jesus, boy.
All right, let's get that second gear.
Damn. Car's so loud, bro. Alright, just got a ride in Robert's car, and honestly, it did blow me away. The power band just keeps going compared to my car. So, blame this guy if I ever go big turbo. Why? Alright, so now I'm going to give him a ride in my car. He's probably going to be disappointed, but just to get a comparison. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's disappoint Robert real quick.
Okay, I'm
no bumps.
I'm feeling the quieter exhaust. Sheesh.
Ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Oh shit! I was gonna brake boost, my bad. Ready?
Holy cow!
Just that punch, and then it dies out.
Well, let me, before I comment on that, I gotta comment on the brakes. Because I'm not even driving and I noticed how quick it stopped.
We're gonna do a pull and stop because he doesn't have Brembos.
That's crazy.
Right.
I'm not even driving and I can already.
I'll do no brake boost. Low gear.
Oh!
It's Brembos. It's just smooth braking.
Holy cow! That's a game changer.
I'm telling you, bro, you need to do it. You got way more power than me, so like.
You're gonna make me do a financial decision tonight, boy.
Just buy everything separately. It'll come out way cheaper.
You're gonna make me buy them things tonight. Because I've been saying, oh, I'm gonna get them, but now that I'm experiencing it, it's like
never experienced it?
I've never experienced Brembos on these cars.
Alright, we'll do another pull. Fuck it.
That's insane. Holy cow. But I was gonna tell you that I can appreciate your car, how quiet it is, how smooth it is, how comfortable the seats are, bro. This is like legit a daily driver. Like if you wanted to daily drive, you can't daily drive my car because if you felt it's obnoxious.
Yeah, it's
the
so
seats they're full Ricardo seats, so it's SC3, so like it's not as comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
It's noisy, makes noise.
No cops. Should we do first gear? First gear is a no.
Oh, you want to do for? Oh, you feeling ballsy? Okay. Oh! Turn it to a race! Turn it to a race! Oh! We got him! We got him!
No, you gapped us.
No, I'm taking a W on that one. Nope.
Should we do a pull with him now?
Yeah, let's try it.
Tell him we're recording a video. We didn't mean to race.
Oh, there's a. Here, I'll record it on. Hey, you want to do a pull real quick?
Hey, we're recording a video, but we can do a pull. Second gear?
Let's do it.
Or launch or what?
I don't get traction. Second gear.
Is it an M? I think it is an M. It's an M2.
It's a.
Oh, I hear your terps.
Oh no, I got What is this Honda, dude? Damn, dude, he's got the high end.
Yeah, he pulls hard.
I didn't catch traction. Oh, not bad.
For a stock turbo, guys, honestly, it feels good. It feels good.
Would you recommend other people going E30 and everything? Stock
Yeah,
turbo?
definitely. But that's the thing, though. Like, you're E30, so people that don't have that, like,
They can't experience it.
yeah, because you felt the difference, right? Like, from stock to E30.
Yeah, it's a big difference.
Yeah, so I mean, he doesn't have like, he's not stock. He's on E30s, which meaning like it's, what is it, 3 gallons E85 and then the rest topped up by 91
3.6
to be technical.
But
yeah, so I mean, it feels good, honestly. Like if you're wanting power, especially if you daily drive the car, and like you want it to be, I'm not saying a big turbo is not reliable, but if you want to make sure that, you know, that especially if you have like the warranty and all that stuff, like if you want performance but not trying to go too crazy, this is definitely like the good option to go. But if you're trying to get nasty, then yeah, big turbo, do the whole 9 yards. Yeah. But it feels good. I can say that. It definitely feels good.
all right, boys.
And that braking's nasty. Oh my gosh,
telling
bro.
you.
Goodness gracious.
Amazing. All right, the most funniest thing just happened right now. I'm still crying from it. Hey, Nick, come here. What happened? What happened, bro?
Guys, let me just show you what happened. Wait, Chris, be ready to hold it.
The fridge almost fell on Nick,
I literally
bro.
opened it like this.
Oh, it's
and the
falling.
whole, look at that, the whole fridge just fucking falls forward. And at first,
What did you guys do if you saw a fridge on
That was
here?
hilarious. I'm glad you're okay.
Thank you, bro. Okay.
Dude, I'm crying.
Like moving, but it's not moving. Do you know what I'm talking about?
I know
I
Chris
thought
is
that was
laughing his ass
happening, but then I
off too.
realized shit came out after the front. What the?
All right, boys, that's gonna be the end for today's video. Everyone's gassed and tired, so we're gonna head out.
I'm tired.
So we gotta say bye to the boy, Robert.
But I gotta drive.
Don't leave me hanging, bro. All right. Let's be out, Nick. Thank you for letting us in your haunted house.
Of course.
Scary.
What do you mean haunted,
Oh, look at this. Don't go down there.
It's fine.
He says he's heard some noises and stuff, so. All right.
All houses make noises, bro.
I like this though. All right, so if you liked today's video, like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
No.